This is a presentation on Introduction to Adobe Photoshop. The following items will be discussed. Why do we need to learn about Photoshop? What are the different file format essentials? And what is the Photoshop workspace? Why learn Photoshop? We know there's a bunch of beauty editing apps right now, like Camera 360, Beauty Plus, and VSCO for the Instagram influencers, right? They're easy to use and they're free, so why not just use them? What is Photoshop? It is the leading professional image editing program by Adobe. I mean, you can ask any digital art professionals, and most probably they would say that they use Adobe for work. Photoshop is useful for creating and editing high-quality images. You can manipulate artwork. You can use it for presentations, professional publications, layouts, and even web design. In short, we can do a lot with Photoshop. Here are some visual examples. As mentioned, you can manipulate images such as the physical structure of an individual. You can also manipulate the physical structure of your pet. There are Facebook groups and even threads in Reddit wherein people request to edit their pictures, and these editors do not fail in delivering their humor. You can use Photoshop in making advertisements. Here's an example of post and pre-editing. Another example wherein you can manipulate images. You can also customize web layout designs. You can also use it for digital illustrations. Now let us talk about file format essentials. File format essentials come in two basic types. First is raster. It includes JPEG, GIF, PNG, TIFF, RAW, and PSD files. Vector includes PDF, EPS, and AI files. What is the difference between raster and vector? Raster is used for non-line art images. This is the standard for web graphics, and it offers various colors. The disadvantage of using it is image degradation. So if you will zoom in a raster image, it will come out pixelated. Vector is used for geometrical shapes, line art, and curves. It doesn't depend on resolution. So if you will zoom in, the quality doesn't change. The disadvantage of using it is that it has limited colors. In raster, the color attributes are displayed, while for vector, the colors tend to be flat. Now let us talk about image color formats. Below we have CMYK. It is a 4-color printing process that stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and key or black. RGB is a light-based color model that stands for red, green, and blue. What is the difference between the two? If you are going to create your design and upload it in the web, you will use RGB. But if you will print it, you will use CMYK. The Photoshop workspace. These are the basic parts of a Photoshop workspace. We have menu bar on top, options bar, tools on the left, and panels on the right. We will learn more about this during hands-on demonstrations. This is the end of the presentation. Let us now proceed to the hands-on demo.